All right, we have an interpreter for this witness. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And is the language Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if I can have the interpreter, if you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Catalina Delgado, spelled Delgado, license number 2222.
All right, if you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you may lower your hand. All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Tell us your name, please.
María del Socorro Moreno.
María del Socorro Moreno.
And are you the mother of Jesus Suarez Moreno?
Soy la mamá de Jesús Suárez Moreno.
I am the mother of Jesus Suarez Moreno.
Tell me about your family. How many children do you have?
6 hijos.
I have 6 children.
And Jesus, where does he fit in that group of 6?
Es el más chico. ¿Cómo el más chico? Okay.
He's the youngest. He's the youngest.
And you have grandchildren, great-grandchildren?
17.
Okay. Now, are you employed?
No.
Espera hasta aquí. If I may, Judge.
That's okay.
She's answering before.
No. So, excuse me, Miss. So we either have to use the interpreter or not. Sometimes I know that people are in the middle of a conversation and they know how a question is going to go, but it would make it so easy for the court reporter if you'll wait until the interpreter finishes interpreting and then answer.
Está bien.
Very well.
Okay.
Gracias.
Let's interpret. Okay. Where was I? Grandkids, 17 grandkids. Okay. Are you retired? Are you still employed?
I don't work. I'm retired.
Okay. And where is your address? Where do you live? If your son is released on bond, would he be living with you?
Sí.
Yes.
Have you ever known? You know Jesus is an electrician, right?
Sí.
Yes.
Have you ever known him to not show up to work, to skip work, to not call in, any of those things?
No. No.
No.
Has he always been good and dependable about his employment?
Yes.
Now, do you know how much the bond is in this case?
Sí.
Yes.
How much is it?
123. 123.
123,000.
Actually, it's 125, but that's close enough.
Okay.
Do you know that to post a bond in Bexar County, generally you need 10%?
Sí.
Yes.
And in this case, 10% would be $12,500.
Yes.
Can you afford to come up with $12,500?
No.
No.
Okay. Would any amount of bond that the judge sets, would that be paid by you?
Sí, la mitad de esa cantidad.
Yes, half of that amount.
You would get help with whatever the amount is.
Sorry?
No, you said half. Does that mean that somebody else would pay the other half?
No. Yo pagaría, pero, o sea, me dijo que
Okay.
I would pay, but you said half.
no, te enseñan
So half would be 12?
Sí. No, la mitad.
Half.
Ajá. Yes.
Now, if the judge lowers the bond to say 30,000,
Mhm.
would you be able to come up with
Yes.
$3,000?
Sí, yes, sí,
Yes.
sí.
Would you be able to come up with any more than $3,000?
Five.
So you could come up with $5,000, meaning the bond would be 50,000.
Yes.
And is that what you would like the judge to set the bond at?
Yes.
And you know that, of course, if you put up that money, you're responsible. So you would you assure the court that Jesus would show up to court for all these future hearings?
Sí.
Yes.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, State.
Yes, Your Honor. When is that? So, okay, so this is your son?
Sí, sí.
Yes, sir.
And you said how many children do you want?
Seis.
6.
Okay, how many of those are sons and how many of those are daughters?
Ah, cuatro mujeres y dos hombres.
4 females and 2 males.
Okay, so 4 daughters and 2 sons?
Sí,
Yes.
And you're saying if this is the youngest, correct?
más chico.
The youngest.
He's the youngest, okay. What are the ages of your other children, please?
El primer, el first, tiene 52.
The first one is 52.
La mujer, first, la primera hija tiene 49.
And the second child, my first daughter, she's 49.
Sí, no, no, sobre 48.
The next one is 48, the other daughter.
46.
The third child, also a woman, she's 46.
La otra, 40.
The next one is 40.
Sí. Y- y- y-
And then Chewy, my son, I'm not exactly sure, but I believe he's 34.
That's, this is your son, 34?
Yes, this is,
I
believe so. He was born in 93.
Okay, so your oldest son is 52 years old, and you
Sí,
have
sí,
4 daughters that are 49,
sí.
48, 46, and 40?
Sí.
Okay,
Yes.
and where do your other son and your 4 daughters live?
Están en México. Primero,
My first son is in Mexico.
y la otra aquí,
And my other 2 daughters are here.
tus horas en el-
And the 2 daughters in Mexico.
2 daughters in Mexico and 2 daughters here.
Sí.
Do the 2 daughters that are living here live with you?
No,
No,
Okay, so
they're married.
they're married. Okay, so who lives with you?
son.
I live alone.
Okay, so if
I
your
love my house.
okay, so if your son Jesus is granted bond, he'll come live with you. Is that correct?
Sí, sí.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You said you had 17 grandchildren as well? Congratulations.
Yes.
Um,
Thank you.
Do you know how many of those are granddaughters and grandsons? That's probably the last one. I'll take that. What are the general age ranges of your grandchildren?
El mayor, la mayor tiene 28, es doctora en Monterrey. El segundo es hombre, tiene 20.
That's we don't have to go one at a time. What's your oldest one and what's your youngest?
Sí, tiene 28 y la más chiquita tiene Va a cumplir 8 en diciembre.
My oldest granddaughter is 28. She's a doctor in Monterrey. My youngest granddaughter out of all of them, she's 8. She's gonna be 8 in December.
Now, of those 17, you have more granddaughters or grandsons?
Mis nietos. Los 3.
I have 3 great granddaughters.
Okay, so 3 granddaughters and then the other 14 are grandsons, is that?
3 great
Great
granddaughters.
granddaughters. Oh, okay. Well, congratulations. Okay. Now you said that if he was granted bond, you would pay half of that amount, is that correct?
Sí.
Yes,
But who would pay the other thing?
O sea, que si no se vuelve para ti.
that's what I'm going to pay.
Right, you pay one half, but who pays the other?
Pero ¿cuánto sería en total? Es que yo estaba nada más para de los 2 de la mitad.
How much would be the total? Because I thought from the 12, I would pay half.
Right, okay, all right, so we'll find out who is gonna pay the other half, now, correct? All right, now, if your son comes to live with you or any of your daughters, your great granddaughters, granddaughters, when they come visit,
Pues,
Yes, yes.
are you aware of the nature of the charge that's currently pending against Jesus?
Yes.
Knowing that he is charged with that, do you have any concerns for the daughter, your granddaughters, and your great granddaughters?
no.
No,
Okay, have you ever been concerned about that type of behavior upon Jesus?
No.
no, never.
To your knowledge, does Jesus drink alcohol?
Yes,
To your knowledge, have you ever had a concern for him abusing life?
No.
no,
So he's never had any.
No.
no.
Only one.
Only one beer.
Can we drink one beer at a time?
And one time.
One. So he's been drunk one time before, I'm confused.
No, not drunk.
Okay, all right, I think it's easy. Do you have alcohol in your home?
No.
No,
Jesus comes to live with you, are you gonna allow him to drink in your home?
No.
no, no,
Okay. Is Jesus by any chance in a relationship with anybody?
I don't understand.
Does he have a girlfriend?
I see one is
He's married.
You have a wife.
He has a wife.
He's
Okay.
married.
And where is she?
it's that today or hoy trabajo.
She worked today.
Where does she live?
And
So Jesus wouldn't even live with his wife and come live with you, right? Does Jesus have
Yes.
children with his wife?
Yes, he has 2 daughters.
What are her daughter ages, please?
The oldest is 12
it's that's it.
and the other one is 7.
All right, any other questions?
I'll keep it brief.
No, no.
Do you have any concern that Jesus will do anything harmful to any of his grandkids, kids, children that we talked about?
No.
No,
No.
no doubts.
And Jesus will be with you, so pending trial, he'll be living. That's all.
Yes.
All right, I have a couple of questions. It may just turn out to be one. All right, any objections? Do you have any minor grandchildren who actually spend the night at your home?
No.
So if he were released on bond, one of the conditions most likely will be that he is not allowed to have any contact with minor children. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have no further questions.
That's all I have to do.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much for coming down and for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
Oh, and excuse me to the interpreter.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if she's still going to need you to know what happens.
Okay, I'll see you.
All right, thank you. All right, any other witnesses?
No, Judge, that's all I have.
All right, state any witnesses.
Not from the state.
All right, the court will hear.